Shiv Sena Youth Wing Chief Aditya Thackeray wants to give Mumbaikars a New Year present. His suggestion is to keep restaurants, shopping malls and markets open all night long on the 31st night. Mumbaikars need space and time to unwind, he says.
Will Mumbaikars be able to party all night into the new year this 31st? Yuva Sena Chief Aditya Thackeray has, in a letter to the Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, requested the state government to let citizens celebrate New Year's Eve by keeping restaurants and establishments open all night. In the letter, he also reminded the Chief Minister to act upon the proposal to let hotels and shops in non-residential areas in Mumbai to remain open 24/7, which was passed in 2017. This is awaiting the Home Ministry's approval.
Aditya Thackeray can ask anything. A child can demand moon also, but the person has to decide what needs to be given and what needs to be as far as law and order is concerned. So the state government and the CM will look into whether this any law and order problem is not created. So accordingly a decision will be taken.
Thackeray has been fighting for this cause since 2013. In 2015, the Commissioner of Police Mumbai had approved it. And in 2017, Maharashtra passed an act modelled on the Centre's Shops and Establishment Act 2016. However, NCP's Nawab Malik was the first to put out this proposal in Maharashtra in 2005.
I think the demand made by Thackeray, Chief Minister have to accept it. When there is an act, there is nothing wrong into it. If 24/7 Mumbai will run, it will create employment. The infrastructure can be used in the night hours and traffic problem can be reduced.
Along with political parties, even the hoteliers have welcomed the move.
These things will definitely benefit. There are a lot of people moving around in the night. So it will definitely benefit a lot of people. Employment will increase and money, there will be an exchange of trade. So a lot of livelihood also will increase in this. But overall, it's a welcome move. Proper regulation should be in space.
For a city that never sleeps, this seems to be a welcome move. However, with more incidences of fire and mushrooming of illegal establishments, proper checks and balances is required to ensure the safety of the city. In Mumbai, with camera person Praveen G. Rohit, this is Purva Chitnis for NDTV.